friends, it's Krista from Doc's Quilt Shop, and we got another new line in today. I'm so excited about this one, and for those that are Bigfoot fans, you're gonna love this. So first one is called Four-Way Nicknames. It's in this gorgeous like teal bluish, I'm not sure what to call it, but it's gorgeous, and these are from P&B Textiles. And we have the four-way text also in kind of a cream background and in a brown background. These are four-way nicknames.
What are the names?
Oh, what does it say? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. The wood ape, skunk ape, Sasquatch, Yowie, Skookum, the old man of the mountain, several little different things, and of course Bigfoot, Sasquatch. Fun. Okay, the next one we have is called Pine Cone Toss. And we have this in the light brown. In a forest green. And kind of a mint green color. And here we have, it's called Sasquatch Toss. And it's just got like the footprint and what's the symbol?
The Park Service?
Yes, thank you. And the Park Service symbol, and it's got Sasquatch in it. So we have that in kind of like the lighter green background, and we have one in a lighter brown background. And then we have this one, and it is called Bigfoot in the Night All Over. And so it's got little footprints going through and Sasquatch going through the trees. And then this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. What am I going to do with this one? Oh, this is called Scenic Trees All Over. And just look at the beautiful colors. And then we have a couple panels. So this one is called Bigfoot in the Night panel. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Can you see that? Okay. And one other panel. And this is called Bigfoot Blocks. Anyway, very cute. So if you like Bigfoot, come on down to Doc's Quilt Shop and take a look at them. Happy sewing, everyone. Bye.